Good day everyone, I am Renalyn Tavara and in this video, I will show you how to use SurveyMonkey as an assessment tool. So sit back, relax, and enjoy watching. First, you need to search SurveyMonkey on your Google or Safari and click the one with the green logo. By the way, just bear with me because I am just using my mobile phone. And then you're gonna scroll it up and you will see a yellow button saying Create Survey. Click that yellow button and you're gonna see Create First Survey, add the first question, and Send Survey. Of course, you're gonna first create a new survey. Then you'll put the title on your survey, and mine I titled it Social Media App Survey. By the way, I forgot to tell you that in order to create a survey on SurveyMonkey, you need first to have an account. So if you don't have an account, you'll just search SurveyMonkey free sign up, and then you're gonna sign up in there using your Google account. Let's continue. Then you're gonna add your first question, then the plus button. And you're gonna see some options there if you want to put on your first question an image, paragraph text, drop down text, multiple choice, or question bank. I chose text for my first question and then enter your text. So my sample is question number 1. What social media app do you use always? So you have also an option if you want to require an answer, and if you want to require an answer, just slide that button and then click save. So that is my question number 1, and then I choose text again for my question number 2, and number 2 is how frequent do you use this app? And then slide that again to require an answer and then click save. So in here I have prepared 5 sample questions, and I will fast forward my video so that I can show you how did I end up posting my survey, where did I post it, and who are my audiences for this survey. So after composing your questions, you're gonna send it to your chosen platform, and you're gonna click that send button on the upper right corner. Then I chose to share it on Facebook, and then I click multiple responses per device. Since my account on Facebook is already saved on my Safari, then there's no need for me to log in, and then I'll click post. So after posting on Facebook, you'll be back on the SurveyMonkey site, and then I'll check if I already posted it on my Facebook by stalking my account, which I have used in posting the survey. So as you can see, I have already posted it on my Facebook, and then while using my another account, my dummy account, I will respond to that survey. So after submitting my sample response, as you can see, there will be a notification from SurveyMonkey that will be sent to your Gmail account. And then if you want to check the response, you're gonna go to your Gmail and then click that notification from SurveyMonkey. So upon opening, you're gonna see there congratulations and see responses. Then you're gonna click that see responses button and you're gonna log in your SurveyMonkey account. And you're gonna be able to see the responses and status, and then you're gonna click that analyze result for you to see the responses of your respondents. So that ends my video tutorial on how to use SurveyMonkey as an assessment tool. Very easy, very fun, and very accessible. So if you want to use this app and you have many questions and clarifications, just DM me and I'll teach you how to use it. Thank you and God bless.